fun for Mom.
To learn more about Dragon Tales, visit PBS Kids at pbskids.org.
Emmy wished on a dragon scale, and that's what started Dragon Tales. They climbed on the backs of their dragon friends. Now the adventures never end. Dragon Tales, it's almost time for Dragon Tales. Come along, take my hand, let's all go to Dragonland.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, where they know that the fun of playing and learning together is more than just good. It's great!
This program is funded in part by a Ready to Learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
Hey gang, who likes puppies? Everybody likes puppies. I'll bet it makes you sad when you have to leave them home, huh? And there are probably times when he makes you feel a little mad. You must really like puppies. You're always smiling.
Who? Her? She always smiles. She's just a picture.
Oh, how I wish that I could fly just like my sister in the sky. She loops the loops and spins and dives. I'm going to try it, so here goes. I bring my knee up past my nose, then bend in two and touch my shoe. If only there was some way to... Hey, could you teach me to fly like you?
Sure, it's easy. Just watch me. Fold up like this, then 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I've got wings. I'm in the air. You could learn. I'll see you there.
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.
There's this really bad dude named Hacker.
The Hacker to you?
Whatever. He wants to take over the cyber world from Motherboard. The three kids are sucked into cyberspace, and they use brain power to help save everybody.
Okay, here's the plan.
So they have adventures. It's totally up to them to save cyberspace. Can three cool kids and a wacky bird outsmart the Hacker?
Never.
There's only one way to find out.
Tune in to Cyber Chase.
Major funding for Cyber Chase is provided by the National Science Foundation, America's investment in the future. Additional funding is provided by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, the Kettering Family Foundation, the Volkhausen family, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS stations from viewers like you. Thank you.